Hi, I'm Natsumi with Fit Fit. Today's video is yoga for energy. Let's begin. Now, toes open and squatting down this way. And if it's too much, you can stay a little bit higher squatting. Those who can go completely down. And from here, place your hands down and try to move your joint. Try to activate all joint this way by shifting your hips to the side. Okay, now, little wider, widen your feet and one feet straight, one knee straight as I keep it bent. And other side. And other side. Ready? Use your hands if you need. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is if too much. Of course, keep your hip bit higher and do this with higher stance and shift your hips to the side. Okay? Good. Very good. And from here, keep your knees bent and press your knee from inside out and twist your upper body, look toward the ceiling. And change other side. Change. And change. And from here now comes the top of the mat. And from here, lift up one leg and wrap around. And this is too much. Just hook your leg over opposite knee like this. Okay, either wrap around or just hooking. And from here, wrap around your arms this way. And then if it's too much, you can keep your palms together like this, prayer pose. Stay there, 5 deep breaths. And after 5 breaths, release. Try to keep one leg lifting up, knee. And from here, shoot your heel backward. Keep hip square. And lifting up your knee. And shoot your heel back. And lifting up. And shoot back. One more. Knee up. And all the way back down. Good. And from here, keep hip square and palms together and interlace your finger except index and front knee bend and both heels down. This is warrior 1, so Virabhadrasana A. And from here, gaze slightly up. Soften shoulders, fingertip reaching to the sky. Make sure to keep your knee 90-degree angle. And from here, release. Now, both hands down and open your toes slightly and pointing your toes 45-degree angle and long stance. Let's take lizard pose. Slowly bring your forearms down and gaze slightly forward. Either you can keep your knees up and bend, curl your toes, or keep your knees down and flatten your toes. 5 breaths here. And keep your chest up. And bring your toes straight. And from here, bend back knee and elbow on top of your knee. From here, open up your chest, side extended angle. And wrap around the arms behind, gaze, look up. Keep 5 breaths. Now bring back center. And from here, let's do warrior 2, Virabhadrasana B. And from here, open and this time palms up and bend your knee up. Knee bend straight. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now straighten your knee and bend the front knee to shift your hips forward and with control together. Okay, now let's do the other side. Now other leg lifting up, wrap around. Again, hook or wrap around. It's your choice. It's your variation. And from here, opposite hand on top. Gaze drift forward. Each exhale, sink down your hips. Now from here, release. Keep your knee up and shoot your heel back. And knee up. Kick. And up. Kick back. And up. And kick back. Slowly with control all the way back and down. Keep hips square. And front knee bend. Back heel down. Virabhadrasana A, warrior 1. From here, gaze drishti up. Plant your heels down. Strong, steady pose and stance. Ground yourself. Get ready for the day. And breathe. After 5 deep breaths, slowly bring your arms down and open leg 45-degree angle. And let's take lizard pose. Again, is knee down, toes straight, or curl your toes and knee up. Slowly bring your elbows down. And if you cannot bring elbow entirely down, it is okay to keep your just palms part down. Lizard pose and gaze drishti slightly forward. Slowly bring your palms down. Keep your knees, front toes straight and back heel down. Elbow rest on your knee. And let's take side extended angle. And wrap around your palms and chest open to the sky. Shoulder blades together. Sternum facing to the sky. Open up, widen your collarbones. Make sure forehead higher than your chin. Keep 5 deep breaths. Heels pressing down, crown reaching opposite way. Chest open. And slowly come to standing pose. And from here, let's walk on Virabhadrasana B, Warrior 2. Bend the front knee, open your palms, facing up, and bend, straight, bend, straight. 3, and 5. Okay, now straighten your hips and shift your hips forward, bend front knee, little balance, and feet touch together. And toes knee together, palms heart center. This sequence is designed to boost your energy and get ready for the day. You can do it as often as you want. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel and select the bell option to get notified of my future videos. See you soon!